Hey guys, today I want to give you an up-close look and review of this 67-inch Rattan Storage Cabinet that I was gifted for my honest thoughts. So first off, I want to point out the fact that it does have this rattan look on here, just giving it a really nice, unique design. And then on top of that, you're not going to see any handles here, and that's because we have these grooved wood panels, so making it easy to open it up at any point, which I really like as a mom of three. My kids can grab it anywhere to be able to open this up. And then when you open this up, you have a great amount of storage here with so many different shelves. And what's really nice is that shelves themselves are adjustable, so you can change these heights to whatever needs you have. And each shelf here can hold up to 45 pounds, so you have a lot of versatility with these shelves. I have photo albums here, and I actually have these bins. They're 11-inch bins that fit perfectly to store my kids' games so they can access this. And then my favorite thing is that both of these are soft close, so you're not gonna hear a loud banging noise as your kids or yourself are closing this. I am using this just for additional storage for my family, but this can be used in a kitchen, for a pantry, and just so much more. Overall, the look, the installation was really quick and easy, so I would highly recommend this.